Good morning, guys. I'm picking up some groceries at a pickup spot because I didn't want to go into the store to shop. And I'm excited because I've never done this before, but my mom does it all the time. So soon I'm gonna have some groceries put into my car, which is really exciting. It's Monday, and as soon as I get home, I'm gonna have coffee because I'm sleepy, and then I'm gonna get to work. But I will touch base with you guys when I get home. Bye! Hi guys, I am back home now. It is actually 4:30 on Monday, but I wanted to pop back in and say hi officially from my studio, I guess, again. I'm back home after my surgery, woohoo! I always love visiting my hometown and seeing my parents and my siblings, but it's very hard for me to get work done over there, so it feels good to be back at my desk and in a working environment. There are a couple things I want to show you guys, especially since last week's studio vlog was not very studio-y. I think this week's vlog will be a little bit better for you because I already have a couple cool things that I want to show you. So without further ado, let's get into it. So you guys might have seen this a little bit already in my intro, but I have shelves now. This is the first apartment that I've lived in where I've been able to put anything up on the walls. So I really wanted to put up some shelves, and I got my parents to help me. We picked up some wood and we picked up some shelving brackets, and we put it up the other day. Shout out to my mom and dad for helping me with that. And then also I got some plants while I was away as well. So I want to introduce you to all my plant babies. So we'll start over here. This is a lavender scallop succulent. I got it at a garden center at Lowe's because it was pretty beat up. You can see that some of the leaves are kind of destroyed. So I tried to prune off a lot of the dead parts and I repotted her, and hopefully she will do okay up here. We'll see how it goes. And then here I have a neon, I think it's a philandrion. I'm probably butchering that, but I just misted it actually because this plant, I looked it up and they like a lot of humidity. So I'm hoping that she will do okay up here. She's gonna like come down and be like a vine. So yeah, I put her in this like elevated pot because I thought it was cute. And then I have a little sign that I got from Dollarama and some fake plants and decor. And then over here we have my neon pothos. I think it's variegated, that's what they said. So there's some like different like textures on their leaves. It already looks like it's been growing towards the sun, and I just put it here yesterday, so it's looking pretty happy. And then here are some baby shoots that were in the lavender scallops that I just repotted because they were not getting any light. They were being drowned out by the mother plant. And then here is a really sad looking, I think it's called a bell cactus. It's like completely angled to the one side, so I'm trying to force it to grow towards the window. And then I have my Hoya, I can't remember what the other word was, but it's a Hoya, and it's also called a Crimson Princess. And I'm a little worried about this one because it kind of looks like the leaves are already falling off on this branch. So I really hope that it doesn't die because it's a really pretty plant when it gets bigger. So please hang in there, little Hoya. And that's everything on my shelf. So that's kind of my new shelf tour. And I just picked up some, I think this is white pine from Lowe's. It was like a 12-foot long piece of wood, and I had it cut in half and then took a foot off each side. So these are 5-foot shelves. And then I just like stained them, not stained them, I just like buffed them a little bit with tung oil so that they would be a little bit more durable and resistant to water. And then this is my like plant watering station. And then down here, yeah, I have my glorious Monstera Deliosa, I think it's called. Here she is, my beautiful baby. I just misted her. I don't know if you're supposed to mist them, to be honest, but her leaves were looking a little dusty, so I wanted to help her out. I'm not a pro plant person by any means, but I really hope that I can keep her happy. And then over here, I have my money tree. And I actually had to kind of prune this one back because it was getting so big, and I just recently repotted it as well. So she just kind of hangs out with me on my desk. But yeah, those are all my plants. Okay, so now that we had the plant tour, the next thing I'm gonna do is unbox this poster from Emily Harvey's giveaway. I'm so excited I got this actually already the day that I had my surgery, so last week Wednesday, but I haven't opened it because I wanted to open it on camera. So we're gonna unbox this. I'm not quite sure what the best way to do this is. Okay, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Wow, oh my gosh. So here we are. This is from Emily Harvey's Mermaid collection, I believe. I won her giveaway. Hi, sorry, it's me again. You guys have heard way too much from me this Monday, but I'm just sitting down and I'm putting all of the things that I need and wanted to get done before I go on vacation on one big master list. My pen died halfway through, so that's fine. I have a different one. Yeah, now I'm gonna take this and try and sort it out into my planner. And already seeing it all gives me some levels of anxiety because there's a lot to do, but having it all in one place helps me kind of like digest it better, I guess. I don't know. I feel better having it all written out. So I'm gonna go about transferring it into my planner now. This week is gonna be so crazy, but yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hi everybody, happy Tuesday. It is 5 o'clock in the evening. I have a coffee with me and usually I try to cut myself off from caffeine at 5 o'clock, but today was just one of those days. I woke up with like a horrible headache and I felt so sluggish, and it was super gray this morning too, and so it's just been one of those days that I've been dependent on coffee. I think it's my antibiotics from my surgery. I think that's what it is. And just like, I know sometimes when your body goes under anesthetics, it takes a little while for you to get back to your normal self. So I've been feeling a little sluggish today. It's actually raining now. The sun popped out for like an hour today and I was already starting to perk up, and now it's raining. And I have such a mixed feeling about rain. Like, I love rainy weather when I can just curl up and read a book or draw, but when I actually have stuff to do, I don't like rain that much. because it just makes me sleepy. But anyway, I've done a bunch of client work today. I had a meeting this morning. It's been a pretty productive day despite me feeling like a slug. I'm gonna do a little bit more client work today, not too much, just a little bit. And then I'm for sure gonna be working on some commission stuff. I did some commission stuff last night, but I didn't film it. It was like 1 a.m. when I was working on that. It was so dark. And then I posted a sketch that I was working on. I think I filmed it. Yeah, I did. Of this month's Patreon wallpaper. I was kind of fiddling with 2 designs and I wasn't sure what I was gonna do. So I decided to ask my patrons what they wanted to see. I've given them almost a day now to vote. I might wait a little bit longer, but I'm really excited to work on it, so I might just start on it anyway because I'm so excited, and then make changes depending on what they vote on. Yeah, that's kind of just what's going on with me right now. I will try and show you guys if I do any drawing. Hi, it's me from my floor. If you're wondering why I'm down here, it's because I'm currently sitting beside my printer. I have been putting off hooking up my printer with my PC for about a month now. I had it all set up back at my old house, but since I moved, I had my computer wiped, and that took all the drivers and everything off of my computer, and my printer's no longer hooked up with it. And I made the mistake of throwing out the instruction manual in the box that came with my printer. Yeah, so I've been dreading trying to set this up because I always run into so many problems with these things. I don't know if it's just me. Let me know if you struggle with stuff like this too, because I swear I'm the biggest idiot when it comes to like setting up electronics. And yeah, so anyway, I'm finally forcing myself to do it. Wish me luck. Hi guys, it is now Thursday at just after 1. I did not record at all yesterday. To be honest, the last part of this week has just been so busy because I have so much stuff to do. And basically yesterday was just all client work, a lot of the same, and then a little bit of kind of boring admin stuff. So I didn't show you guys any of it. I also edited a bunch yesterday. I was up until 4 last night, 4 in the morning editing. Yeah, I don't know why. I think editing sometimes is like you go into like this like weird editing world where like time doesn't exist anymore, and so that happened to me last night. But I'm almost done editing all the footage that I've taken so far for this studio vlog. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna show you guys anything more in this video just because I pretty much today I'm just gonna be running around like a chicken with my head cut off because I have to pack to go on my trip. I have to bake some cookies to take on my trip. I have to get a whole bunch of patron stuff scheduled ahead of time, which I wanted to do earlier in the week, but it didn't happen. And I still have a little bit of client work to do. And oh my gosh, today is just gonna be so busy. So I think I'm just gonna end it here. I'm going to be taking little snippets of footage from my vacation and I'm gonna stitch it together and kind of show you guys a little bit of what I did while I was away, because I'm gonna be gone for 2 whole weeks. So yeah, there won't be any studio vlogs in that time, but I did want to make sure that I got this one up for you guys before I left. So yeah, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate all of you. If you're here, if you made it to this point, you're incredible. I've gotten so many nice comments from you guys, and it honestly makes me so happy. And not to sound super YouTube-y, but if you like and subscribe, makes me super happy too. So do that if you feel like it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye!